Hello everyone and welcome to a quick video on my channel. Just letting you guys know that for the next 21 days I'm going to be hosting a competition called Create with Code. Basically this competition is a competition where you can submit any coding project, be it an app, a game, or machine learning project. As long as it relates to code, it can be submitted. Also guys, you don't have to submit just one project, you can submit as many as you like. To submit your project, you can either make a tweet on Twitter with videos and screenshots of your software using the hashtag CreateWithCode2020, or alternatively, make a YouTube video showcasing your project using the hashtag CreateWithCode2020. After the 21st of April, I will be looking at all the submissions and making a video showcasing the best ones. I hope you guys enjoy this competition. Also, make sure you follow me on Twitter for any updates I post on the competition. The link will be in the description. Cheers guys, and I hope you have a fun time with this competition, and I'll see you all next time.